Math 371. Hey, stop. A very good way to endanger yourself and your own people and your own land is to still continue to pretend that you're a dog. You might not understand. We will explain in a minute. A very good way to endanger yourself, to endanger your life, to endanger people around you, to endanger your own people, to endanger your own land is to still continue to pretend that you're a dog. You see, a dog is an animal that is being led. Imagine that a dog that is being led by somebody who is drunk. That very dog will be misled. A dog is somebody that is being fed with crumbs, with human waste. You see, that very dog that is being fed with human waste, with dung, um, is malnourished. You see, when you come here at LTB Light, we are very, very sure to treat you just the way that the universe intended that you be, that you live your life fulfilled like a God in a godly manner. You are the right place. We welcome you. On this 371 day, we extend our hands and want you to begin to acknowledge who you truly are and to say yourself 1,000 times every day that you're not a dog. You see, you don't when in the posture where somebody makes you to close your eyes, it is contrary to the will of the universe and your own ancestors for you. You have to open your eyes at this very particular moment. Nobody is going to ring the bell in your ear and force you to do it, but the plagues is going to do it. I mean, if you choose to go contrary to this very dictum, the plagues will continue to do it. The sun has a way of bringing its own children back to reality. Okay, if you choose to continue to live like a dog, knees bent, instead of walking with the sun, walking hard with your hand, walking with the sun to greener pastures, and you want to remain sleeping and dormant, passive, like a dog, docile like a dog, well, we know exactly where it is going to end you. We've done that for how many years now? 3,000 years now. But you see, the universe has a way of turning around in order to scale and even out the scales. You are at the right place. There's a reason why you came here. An LTB Light team member, a partner, felt that it is time for you to stand up now, to stop living like a dog, to stop endangering yourself, endangering the people around you, to stop endangering your own land. That is why you came here. And that very person believed in us that we're going to close it right now. You see, if today is your first time coming here, this is LTB Light team member, premier member number one, Coach MN, worldwide, global coach. You see, our hands extended is so that you can be able to rise up above the rubbles and the fallen pyramids. From every trouble to rise up, you are at the right place. Remain here as we perform this very next stage now. You see, if you follow the successful people, you're going to become successful. If you follow failures, you're going to remain as failure forever. If you follow people who continue to procrastinate, you're not going to do anything. But today is the day for you to take that very action. The one who brought you here knows that today is the day you're going to rise up, not as a dog, but as a dog that you are, as a God that you are. Okay, so follow our link and our prompt right here now. You see, you will see a link connected to this very video right here at the bottom of this video or at the end of the video. Follow it and download the LTB Light plan. You see, a way to get out of debt is to do the right thing and to stand up now like a son. It's called debt. It's called a plague because you cannot be able to go to anyone and say, hey, I am plagued down. You're ashamed. You're afraid to tell anybody, hey, the car I'm driving is not my own. Hey, I paid my student school fees with a loan and I cannot be able to pay it. You see, frogs is just symbolic. Frogs are plagues in the land of Egypt. It's just symbolic. We want you to understand it right now. That it means, hey, that it means debt. And the same thing with other plagues. It's just symbolic. Blood means addiction. Um, Darkness means depression. So, do you find yourself in any of these? Poverty. Okay, attend that to it. The purpose is to destroy your life. The purpose is to waste your time here. The purpose is to continue to, hey, destroy you silently. But this is that time for you to download the LTB Light antidote. It is here for you to live healthy and freed. And it is here for you to live wealthy and freed. Okay, so you can do that easily. It's affordable. You can download it. Okay, it's not bulky like this. It's just simple. You see, we have bridged this. This is a book of confusion. to divide our tongues. Babel, Bible, like in Babel. This is Bible, like in Babel. To confuse our thoughts, our thought pattern, to confuse our tongues, how we communicate with each other. But you see, we abridged it and brought out the key things that our own children will know. Matt have we've done it on this 371st day. We know you're going to take the right action, and we hope to see you on the other side of the aisle. Remember, this is a 1001 day journey where we do it in broad daylight. Okay, and at the end of this very video, hit subscribe and say, I need change. Okay, the Ancient of Days will bring it to you when you say you like change. Okay, when you say, hey, I want to begin to become a winner, I want to become victorious rather than a victim all the days of my life. Do be well. Remember to be here with us again tomorrow, which is the 372nd day. Okay, Matt is leading, creating that global market. Matt, okay, it's leading majestically. Do be well. Try to go back and watch our videos so that you can be able to understand what we're doing. That's something phenomenal, something unique. A great wind is going across all our world today, our planeta. Okay, do be well. Thank you. Bye.